Welcome to another Scratch tutorial by Syntax. Today we will show you how to make a basic apple eating game in Scratch. Let's get started.
The truth.
First of all, you want to make the Scratch cat follow your mouse. To do this, go to Control, add a when flag clicked, then add a forever block, then go to Motion, and put a go to mouse pointer in the forever loop you just created. The Scratch cat now follows your mouse pointer wherever it goes. Next, you want to rename the Scratch cat to Player. To do this, click on the little eye as shown in the video. Now, go to the sprite selector and choose an apple. Put it into your project. Now, you have to add a when flag clicked and a forever loop script in the apple sprite. Add a wait block and a create clone block. In the wait block, add a random delay. Now, add a when I start as a clone block, and insert the following script. Great. Your mouse follows the pointer, and when there is an apple that is cloned, the Scratch cat eats it. If it touches it, once you eat it, the score changes by 1. Also, I forgot, add the go to random position block, so the apples go random places. The apples are taking too long to randomly pop up. Let's change the random delay a bit lower. Make the delay lower as shown. Make the score set to 0 when the flag is clicked. Add an if on edge bounce block so the apples don't get stuck on the edge. Make it so when the flag is clicked, the ghost effect is set to 100 and the non-moving apple isn't appearing. The clones have the ghost effect also. So, add a clear graphic effects block as soon as the sprite is created as shown in the video. Test out your game. Now, make it so the clone deletes after a certain time. To do this, add another when I start as a clone block, then a wait 1 second block. Lastly, add a delete this clone block. This essentially deletes the clone after 1 second of its creation. You can see the script in the video. Now, we need to create a timer script. Take a reset timer block and put it under when the flag is clicked block as shown. The disappeared block isn't meant to be there, sorry. I was experimenting and I forgot to remove the block. Next, make the script. When the timer is greater than 60, we need to stop the script. Use the script as shown on the video. Also, we need to create a sprite telling the player that their time is up and they have to restart the game. Now you can test your full game. Change the timing a bit to fit what you want. Great. Now you have a fully functioning apple eating game that is very easy to code.
Wow! Interesting.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.